Hi guys, this is Aziz Sachar and welcome to my channel. Today's video is very important for you. Today I will tell you the technique that most designers don't know. Before starting the technique, subscribe my channel for further videos. I have designed this certificate but it is not print ready because it may have one issue. This issue is only occurs in Photoshop, not in CorelDRAW or AI. The issue is that when we work on CMYK mode, only two colors, black and dark gray, create problem shown different colors. If we print 100 copies means each font will show the different color, but the color should be same in 1000 copies. How to get rid of this issue? Let's solve this issue. I have designed this certificate. What you have to do is to go to select the text and go to the color and C0 M0 Y0 K is the value how darker you want. I am doing 60%, not 60, 70. Okay, apply this on this class. Control A, select color C0 M0 Y0 K 70. Now I am doing fast on these fonts. Now the file is ready for print. Now you can send to the printer when the settings are ready. Now when you get printed, all the fonts should be in one color. Where you have used the black colors, they should be in one color. Okay, thanks for watching my video.